Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you Yendo credit card review. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you own a car outright and are looking for a clever, out-of-the-box way to supercharge your credit score, well, the Yendo Vehicle Equity MasterCard is a really unique tool that you should definitely check out. Now, it completely flips the script on how traditional secured credit cards work by solving the biggest headache people face, needing to cough off a massive chunk of your own cash for a security deposit. Now, instead of draining your wallet upfront, Yendo lets you use your car's title as the collateral. So, because they are backing the car with your vehicle's equity rather than a small cash deposit, they can hand you a very vastly higher credit limit than you'd ever get a normal starter card. Now, while most credit builder cards cap you at let's just say a few hundred bucks here, Yendo gives you an average credit line of around like $4,000, and it can scale all the way to like around $10,000 on what your car is actually worth, depending on your car, obviously. But yeah, so this huge credit limit is a secret weapon for your credit profile. So having access to multi-thousand-dollar line of credit makes it incredibly easy to keep your overall credit utilization ratio super low. Now, which gives your score a massive automatic bump here. They report your payment habits to all three major credit bureaus every month, so you get a full credit for your good financial behavior. So to make things even better, they don't treat you like you are a financial probation. So you get an unlimited 1.5% cash back on every single purchase you make, which really matches the rewards of premium mainstream cards. Plus the score, or the second you are approved, you get immediate access to a virtual card on Apple Pay or Google Pay here, meaning you can start utilizing your new credit line on the day one without waiting for weeks for a piece of plastic to arrive in the mail. Now, there are just a couple of standard baseline details you should be mindful of. So since your vehicle is the collateral, you do need to make absolutely sure you are making your minimum monthly payments so your car stays completely safe in your driveway. There is also a small $40 annual fee to keep the account open and a fixed interest rate of around like 29.88%, just as long as you treat the card responsibly and clear your statement balance here every month. Now, you can totally bypass the interest and just enjoy the benefits. But yeah, ultimately, if you have a limited credit history here but own a paid off car, Yendo here is a brilliant way to access an impressive credit line and grab some great cash here or cash back while fast tracking your score on complete autopilot. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.